Kadhi nyime en ni Jokanyo sekta mar thieth osundo piny owacho ahinya kaluwore gi digni e okumba mar thieth mar SHA e twak motako duol ma jolweny e weche mag chike ICJ kinde mitayo ayanga chenro mar afya bora mabende okelo kanyakla jokanyo mopogore opogore mag riwruoge mag oganda gikoni lokruok kowuok e okumba mar NHIF nyaka SHA ne ok otim e yo makare. Giseyo jod bura pacho ka kuom kalo chike mag thieth ma gin giwegi ok ging'eyo tiegi maler ka koro giwacho ni dwaro nitie mondo non chike mag thieth.
I am sure all of you must have been surprised to watch our members of parliament appearing surprised about the contents of the SHA law. And yet they are the ones who passed it. We have a very serious problem with that institution. Because you can't be the ones who are supposed to scrutinize the bills and pass them into laws. And when they have become laws, you get surprised that the laws are saying what they indeed are saying you passed. So we need to address that issue. It's a serious matter. People at Treasury, people in finance, do not understand the uniqueness of health. And so a lot of times they end up allocating to health less money than health requires.
You are detained in a health facility. You seek health care on the promise that the following services are covered. When you go to hospital, upon treatment, you are now told some services are not covered.